Good morning, children. We can continue our chapter from here to there. We have discussed about some modes of transportation. Modes of transportation. People were using many types of transportation many years before, and now also still people are continuing the using of animals, and we are depending upon electricity and motor vehicles also for transportation. Then now we can start with our textbook exercises. Teacher will give you one by one, then you can do it in your textbook and send me the work. Okay, children, without any mistake. Come, let's meet some children and find out how they spend their vacations. I went to my uncle who lives in Delhi. Earlier, we used to go from the railway station to his house in a bus. But this time it was great fun. We went by the metro train, which went through an underground tunnel. We did not even come to know car were running on the road above the tunnel. Next, the boy is saying, it was my bua's wedding. I met many relatives. We had a good time eating, drinking and playing. Bhaiya came from America in an aeroplane. Imagine, he came from so far, but he reached here in one day. Bua looked very beautiful when she was going in a palanquin. See this, children, this is a palanquin. Next girl is saying, I went to my nanny's house in Kerala where she lives. There is water everywhere. From the station, we could have taken a bus or a taxi to reach her house. Instead, we took a boat straight to her house. It felt a little strange, but we had fun. The next boy is saying, we went to Shimla during the vacations. The bus moved on the zigzag roads on high mountains. It was very scary when we looked down. We had to walk long distances in Shimla. My daddy would get tired very quickly. We would make her ride on the horse. I never got tired. I enjoyed walking. Next cute girl is saying, my Kala lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my bicycle and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have to take a cycle rickshaw to go to Nani's house. Next boy is saying, I went to my Mamaji's village from the railway station. There is no bus going to his village. So we went in a bullock cart. We crossed lush green fields on the way to the village. I loved the sounds of the bells tied around the necks of the bulls. Children, now we can do the activities given in page number 72. First activity is, which all vehicles did the children travel in? In this picture you can see many vehicles. First one is bus, metro train, car, aeroplane, palanquin, boat, cycle rickshaw, bullock cart, or bicycle you can ride. Okay, children. The next activity, how would you choose to go from your house to the places written below? Write in the box. You write if you are going to market, how you will go. If it is bus, you can write bus, or bike, you can write bike. Then next one, friend's house. That also you can write. Then Nani's house, that is your grandmother's house. Across the river, across the river, how you will go? Relatives who if you are going to relatives house, how you will go? Often you may go by car or bus. You can ride bus. You can do like this. Nani's house across the railway station or across the bridge, that also you can ride. Across the sea also you can ride. If you are going abroad, you can ride by aeroplane. Right, how you will go over bridge. Okay children, write it and send me.